In this guide, I'll quickly walk you through on how to rotate photos, all right, or pictures you have on an iPhone, all right. Let's just get right into it. First, tap on the Photos app. Note, this iPhone runs iOS 26, all right. Then tap on the picture or the photo you want to rotate. As it opens, tap on the Edit icon, which is one of the buttons at the bottom part. Now, the next step is to tap on Crop. On tapping on Crop icon, you will see some options at the top part. One of them is Rotate, so tap on it. Then you can see this has rotated this way towards the left, kind of. Alright, so keep tapping until you get the position you want. And in this case, this is the position I want. So once you get it to the position you want, tap on the done button, which is at the top right. And this is saved. So let's go back. And here you can see the old one, and you can see the new one that is now rotated. So I'll tap on it. And that's the beautiful thing. So it has been rotated to the way I want it. I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, including how to use iPhone to complete some tasks. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section. All right, if you have any question, ask me. I hit the like button so that YouTube recommend this video to more people. Thank you and see you some other time.